What's up, y'all? It's Tiara. Welcome back to my channel. So as you see by the title, today I'm going to be installing a wig basically, and yeah, that's really all. Stay tuned. Okay, so today I'm going to be wearing a wig from Modern Hair Show, and I got it for like $122 because it was having like a sale or whatever. So I'll leave the description. I'll leave the link to this hair in the description. This is the wig. This is it right here. 22 inches. Okay, period. So the first thing I do that everyone pretty much does is put my ball cap on. This came with the wig. They gave me like 2 of them. So yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna cut out the earpiece. Try not to cut your ear. Just like that. And I use like these little teeny scissors that I got in a manicure kit. And then I grabbed my Got to Be Glued spray, freeze spray, and I'm gonna spray this all over my hairline. And then I'm gonna blow dry it. So now that my ball cap is on, I need to see if I like where the cap is at. So I'm gonna try on this wig. By the way, this is a 360 lace wig. Frontal. Then it has the comb. It has like 4 combs, so 2 on the side, 1 in the front and the back. And yeah. And the adjustable band. So. I'm gonna have to bring the cap back a lot because that. Okay, There we go. So I'm gonna just have to like bring it all the way up, like really, really tight. I think this is a extra small cap because my head is really small and it's like this wig is really tight. The foundation on the cap, so maybe it'll blend better. So yeah. Oh, I didn't know I was still recording. All right, y'all, so years later, I got the cap to kind of, you know, be better. Like I pretty much had to customize it to how the hairline on the wig is, which was hard, but not too hard. Now, honestly, it's really just the front. Oh, you know what? I could cut this, can't I? Like that right there, to make it kind of, yeah, I'm gonna cut that. Nope, still tight, but it's okay. Okay. So I really like this hair. At first when I got it, I was like, this hair is thin, but then like I washed it, blow dried and everything, and now it looks pretty thick. I'm just doing the front first because of how tight it is on the side. Do it piece by piece because if you put it all down at once and then one side is pulling and then this side is pulling and this side is like crinkling up, that's just too much. So I'm doing like section by section. So yeah, so far so good. I was struggling on the first part, but it's okay now. Let me see if I need to cut the tabs. Yeah, I'm gonna end up cutting the ear tabs a little bit, so I'm gonna do that off camera. We're secure. Okay. Well, at the top. So now I'm gonna do the sides. I'm gonna do this side first because this side has a little bit more problems than this one. This one can just go on pretty easy. Like that. And I might cut this off. That's why I'm kind of avoiding it. Y'all, I can't even frown. Like,
try the new Keto Champ Berry.
That's how tight this is. Okay, so I finished applying the wig. Now I'm just gonna cut the lace off. I'm thinking about either using these scissors or eyebrow razor. Oh. Or using an eyebrow razor, but I think I'm gonna use these because I always use these for everything. Like these scissors, I had to pause my video. These scissors I used during my whole install. Like, I love these scissors. Cut this lace off real quick. I might do it off camera and then come back and show y'all how I style it. Okay, y'all, so this is what we have so far. The lace and my foundation or whatever is a little bit different, but it's not like it's not that visible, you feel me? And like right there, the size was really hard because like I said, this wig was really tight. Like, look over here. Like, no, I'll probably have to put like a baby hair or something right there and right there. But yeah, let's just get into styling this because I have to go somewhere really soon. Probably not gonna do that much because I don't need to, and I'm gonna just save that for another video. But I am going to press it a little bit more with the hot comb and everything like that. I think I want to do a middle part. I know I'm gonna have to pluck the part probably. It's really hard to see in this viewfinder. So that's why I'm struggling. But yeah, that's pretty good. Alright, y'all, so I know I keep cutting the camera off because, you know, I'm trying to get situated. So I went and found my scarf and I'm just got hair in my mouth. I was just trying to, you know, set the lace, make sure it's real secure. I think I'm gonna use my heat protectant real quick and then the mousse. So it should be fine. And now I just take my hot comb. Y'all, so hot. You have to be like OD careful. And I really just burnt myself on camera. Wow. Done tweaking it. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like in a little better lighting so we can get the full effect.